Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following statements are correct in respect of European Union? 1. The European Union was established primarily to promote economic integration among member countries. 2. The EU has a single currency called the euro, used by all member states. 3. The European Parliament is directly elected by the citizens of member countries. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only B, 2 and 3 only C, 1 and 3 only D, 1, 2 and 3. Correct answer, C. Statement 1 is correct. The EU was established primarily to promote economic integration among member countries. EU started as an economic community to foster trade, cooperation, and peace after World War II. Statement 2 is incorrect. The EU has a common currency called the euro. However, not all member countries use the euro, some keep their own national currencies. Statement 3 is correct. The European Parliament members are chosen by direct elections from the citizens of EU countries. This gives the Parliament democratic legitimacy. Consider the following with reference to electronic voting machines, EVMs. 1. EVMs were first used in a general election in India in 2004. 2. EVMs do not use the internet or any wireless technology to transmit data. 3. Central government is responsible for the manufacture and deployment of EVMs. How many of the above are correct? A. Only 1 B. Only 2 C. All 3 D. None. Correct answer. Statement 1 is incorrect. EVMs were first introduced in India in 1998 during a by-election and gradually used in various elections. Their first widespread use in a general election was in 2004, but technically, they were used earlier in smaller elections. Statement 2 is correct. Indian EVMs are standalone machines that do not have any network connectivity, making them highly secure against hacking through wireless means. Statement 3 is incorrect. The central government, through the Election Commission of India, ECI, is responsible for